Right guys, let's give you a tour of Andrew's van. What he's had all done. It's Mercedes Sprinter 4x4. He's had 80 General Grabber tyres put on all the way around. Massive thing it is. Look how it stands off lower, it's unbelievable. He's had 150 watt solar panel on and Dometic awning fitted on top. Custom made roof bars, roof rack, all on top with walking grids on it. Look at this inside, absolutely amazing. That's bed up there, that's remote control bed. That comes out at the ceiling on remote control. Hang on, I gotta get a bloody lift up to get in it. Jesus Christ, oh, bloody hell. It's that high. All checker plate all the way around, all blue strip lighting on it, storage up on top. There runs an LPG, a gas has got in it and all this stuff up there. Like I said, this is bed above my head, but he has had his hammock up and all, so. And he's got his sink there. Double ring. Which way is that? Storage, cutlery, things like that. All push button locking. TV mounted on there. Spotlights on. He's got his desk here that you can swing round to his chair. It's that chair that turns round. Handrail. Mini fridge, Dometic mini fridge. Absolutely massive. Even I can stand straight up in this without having to bend down and out. Brilliant. All spots in the roof. All push button storage above. Right, we'll find a load of stuff in here. What is? Might be some of my stuff in here. Wardrobe for all his whistle and float and that lot. Storage for his boots and shoes underneath. Cracking job, innit? It weren't cheap though. I'm not going to say how much it were, but it was not cheap. But he's got his hammock there, look strung up. He's always liked sleeping in his hammock ever since being younger, he has. So he puts his hammock up and has it strung out middle, so he sleeps in his hammock a lot of the time, he says. So, but it's absolutely amazing. Like I said, this bed is on remote control and that just slides down to that checker plate and he climbs in and gets under there, obviously. So brilliant. Electrics and everything's here. 12.5 he's on. So it should be more than that, like, but fuse boxes, reverse plastic battery charger. All brackets are on, all these switches. Cracking job. Absolutely massive. I can't believe how big it is. It's the right tool, like, it's a lovely van. Absolutely massive. And that's your tour of it, bit, guys, really. Checker plate floor and all. Nice. And get out that back door, there's a step down here. Bloody, that bloody high up, it's unreal. Oh, you twat a bam here on that bleeding bar now. Oh. Brilliant. He's got his water tap here for his water to fill, and that must be 12. Yeah, I think. Oh, it's not. Yeah, there's one for connecting to outside electric and all. If you're on camp, it's Portaloo. Everything. Amazing, guys. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Just a quick show of my son's van, what he's had done to it. Brilliant. Catch you later.